Have you ever wondered if Tangerine Bank, that online-only financial institution, actually has any physical branches? It's a question that's popped up in many people's minds, especially those who are used to the traditional brick-and-mortar banking experience. Let's dive into it and find out the truth. Tangerine Bank, formerly known as ING Direct, has made a name for itself as a pioneer in online banking. They've been offering a wide range of financial products and services, from savings accounts and checking accounts to mortgages and investments, all without the need for a physical branch. This unique approach has attracted a significant customer base, but it also raises the question, why would anyone choose a bank without branches? The rise of online banking. To understand why Tangerine Bank chose a branchless model, it's essential to look at the broader trend of online banking. As technology has advanced, more and more people have become comfortable managing their finances online. The convenience of being able to access your accounts 24/7 from anywhere in the world has made online banking a popular choice for many. Tangerine Bank's business model. Tangerine Bank's business model is built around the idea that they can offer customers better rates and fees by eliminating the overhead costs associated with maintaining a network of physical branches. These costs include rent, utilities, staffing, and security. By cutting out these expenses, Tangerine Bank can pass the savings on to its customers in the form of higher interest rates and lower fees. Advantages of branchless banking. Lower fees. One of the most significant advantages of branchless banking is the potential for lower fees. Tangerine Bank is known for its competitive fees on products like checking accounts and mortgages. Higher interest rates. Tangerine Bank often offers higher interest rates on savings accounts and GICs compared to traditional banks. This is because they don't have to allocate as much of their resources to maintaining branches. Convenience. Branchless banking offers unparalleled convenience. You can access your accounts anytime, anywhere, using your computer, smartphone, or tablet. Security. Tangerine Bank employs advanced security measures to protect your personal and financial information. They use encryption technology and other security protocols to ensure the safety of your data. Disadvantages of branchless banking. While branchless banking offers many advantages, it's not without its drawbacks. Some people may prefer the personal touch and face-to-face interaction that comes with traditional banking. Additionally, those who may have difficulty using technology may find it challenging to manage their finances online. Is branchless banking right for you? The decision of whether or not to choose a branchless bank like Tangerine is ultimately a personal one. If you value convenience, lower fees, and higher interest rates, then branchless banking may be a great option for you. However, if you prefer the personal touch of traditional banking or have difficulty using technology, you may want to consider a bank with physical branches. So, to answer the original question, does Tangerine Bank have branches? No, they do not. Tangerine Bank is a purely online financial institution that has chosen to focus on providing customers with competitive rates and fees by eliminating the overhead costs associated with physical branches. Whether or not branchless banking is right for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. However, it's undeniable that Tangerine Bank and other online banks have changed the way we think about banking and have offered consumers a new and innovative way to manage their finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.